If you're an introverted entrepreneur in Nigeria, you already know the struggle. You want to create content that connects, but you don't want to shout on the internet to get attention. The good news is you don't have to. In fact, Nigerian audiences appreciate authenticity more than volume. So let's talk about how to craft compelling content that resonates quietly, confidently, and effectively. First, understand that Nigerian audiences love stories. Not the overdramatic, Nollywood-style plot twists, but real, relatable experiences. Share the challenges behind your business, the lessons you've learned, or even the small wins. A calm, honest story stands out in a digital space full of noise. Next, choose formats that allow you to express yourself without draining your energy. Short-form videos, voice-over reels, carousels, and simple talking head clips work perfectly. You don't need to perform. You just need to be present. Nigerians enjoy direct, clear communication, so deliver value in a crisp, no-frills way. Now let's talk cultural nuance. Nigerian audiences respond to content that feels familiar. Use everyday examples, reference common situations, and speak in a tone that feels like a conversation, not a lecture. You don't need to be overly hyped. Even dry humor works beautifully, especially when it's subtle. Think, calm comment, sharp punchline, then move on. In terms of topics, focus on what Nigerians care about: practical business tips, personal growth, money management, technology, and marketing strategies that work in the local environment. When in doubt, aim for content that solves a problem today, not someday in the future. Most importantly, remember this: being introverted doesn't mean being invisible. It means your communication is intentional. You don't need to shout to be heard, you just need to speak clearly to the right people. And in Nigeria, your right people are ready to listen. To dive deeper into crafting content that resonates with Nigerian audiences, read the article linked in the description below to learn more from Mauco Enterprises.